Hi there.
Hey there. Today we're going to be paying tribute to the humble chicken. No, we're not going to cook her, but that may come in future episodes. We're going to use her eggs. And what are we making today, Christina?
Today we're making a Palestinian and Jewish fusion meal, perfect for a family. So now we're going to go in with some olive oil into our pan, just a generous amount. That's going to heat up nicely. And we're going to add our onions in real quick. And we're going to put some pulverized garlic, and I'm just going to finish it here.
And we do that because that brings out all the essential oils from the garlic.
And then you get a really punchy flavour.
It amalgamates nicely.
There we go. I'm just going to go in, and we want to get a really nice brown colour on these onions. And you want to move the garlic around a little bit so it doesn't burn either. So now the onions and the garlics are getting to a nice caramelized look. We're going to add some sumac, which is a Middle Eastern spice which sort of has a sweet, mild strawberry type flavour to it. So that'll go really nicely with our savoury flavours. So we're just going to put a generous pinch of that in, so the flavour comes right through. And then we've got some of our mild cumin powder as well, so that's going to give a nice depth of flavour to the dish. Smells good. Okay, and now we're just going to give that a quick mix around, and we're going to add some of our lovely fresh Roma tomatoes, and we're going to cook them down until they get sort of nice and cooked and blackened. So now these tomatoes are looking pretty happy in here, and we're going to add some lovely smoky char grilled eggplant, which we char grilled on an open flame, so it's got a very nice smoky flavour. We're going to add this in to our tomatoes.
That smells sensational. Wow. I'm just going to take that out of the pan for you. It's a little bit heavy, this one. Separate it, and then we're going to add our mincemeat back into this same pan with all those lovely flavours and juices.
Can you hear that sizzle? Sounds great, doesn't it? So now we've got our lamb mincemeat in the pan with all those delicious juices, and we're just going to give that a nice cook off. And then we're going to go in with some lovely spicy harissa paste. Can you hear that sizzle?
Allow me.
Oh my god. Oh, thank you,
You
Dad.
can put as much of this or as little as you want. It will make the dish rather hot, so treat it with care. You could add fresh chilli.
So now we're going to go in with a generous amount of sea salt. There we go, I reckon that's looking good. And lots of cracked black pepper. Just going to add a little bit of extra spice. That smells good.
Where are we at?
It's going quite great actually, thanks Dad. So we're at the point where the mincemeat is nice and caramelised, and we've removed all of the moisture, so it's nice and crispy. And now we're going to add in our preserved lemon. That's going to give it a nice little burst of flavour. And then we've got 2 assorted nuts. We've got some pistachio nuts, just going to give it a nice crunch. And we've got some pine nuts, which we're going to go in. That's going to give it a nice sort of nutty caramelised flavour.
And look at this, all the oils have come out.
And delicious.
That's just all flavour.
That's all going to go back in here.
Fantastic.
Great. Thanks, Dad. And here we're going to go in with our onions and tomatoes. Oh, can you hear that? I think it sounds happy.
It smells good, I can tell you that. And you can probably add a little chicken stock into that now.
Definitely, that's what I was thinking. Just going to go with a splash of that. And that's just going to help deglaze the pan and get all of those juices moving around again.
we're almost there, I think. We'll probably take that off the stove now.
Sounds
And
good.
we're going to add our eggs. This is the fun part, I get to crack the eggs. Okay, so what are we going to do here? We're just going to flatten it all out. And then we're going to get these lovely eggs that we've got taken straight from the backyard. Duck and chicken.
The perfect duo.
And we're going to make a little nest. Crack our egg. Get the yolk in there. And continue around the pan, making further holes and nestling more eggs in. Then we're going to put it straight under the grill for about 2 minutes. Wow, wow, look at that. That's after 2 minutes in the oven there with the grill on. And what are we going to do to finish this beauty off now?
So now we've got a delicious yogurt here, which has got some tahini, some lemon juice, and quite a lot of garlic, so it's going to pack a punch. And we're just going to put a few generous dollops of the yogurt.
Now, don't be too long because I'm getting hungry.
No, we couldn't do that to you, could we, Dad? Just be cruel, wouldn't it? And now we're going to go on with some nice sumac. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that, just with a little bit of pink colour onto the eggs.
And a little sprinkling of coriander chopped.
Doesn't that look fabulous?
It does, and it smells good. And it wouldn't really be finished unless we put a little drizzle
No, of course not.
of olive oil. There we go. Okay.
Perfect finishing
Now,
touch.
how would we serve this?
Well,
Nothing
we're gonna
else
have to
than
try
pita
some.
bread. I'm going to break in here. The whole idea is just to sort of break a yolk and get a little bit of everything.
Sounds up my alley.
And away we go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
It tastes as good as it looks.
No complaints over that. Well done, me and you.
Thank you. The eggs are brilliant.
Well, we feed our girls well, don't we?
We do.
We do.
They're very well fed.
Okay.